How to use Loklik iPaint to create a paint-by-numbers painting on stretched canvas. These are the materials you are going to need: paints, heat erasable pen, brushes, tape and stretched canvas. This tutorial covers the following steps: power connection, painting materials placement and pen installation, device connection, uploading/selecting an image, parameter settings and painting area preview, outline drawing and coloring. Step 1. Power connection, painting materials placement and pen installation. Connect it to the power and USB cables. Press the power button to turn it on. Then insert the pen into the silicone pen grip and put the pen into the pen holder. The silicone pen grip usually aligns to the scale mark beyond the pen. For painting substrates thicker than 15 mm, align to the scale mark A. Note: ensure the top of the pen grip is still aligned with the scale mark A on the pen after insertion. Then align the painting surface with the marks on Loklik iPaint. Secure the material with tape. Step 2. Device connection, uploading/selecting an image. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Loklik app and tap the plus button on the My Device tab. Select Loklik iPaint and then select the available device. Connect successfully. To use your own design or photo, click Upload in the left-hand menu. Once your image is uploaded, go to Image Editing and choose either Oil Painting or AI Transfer for creative effects. Oil painting offers 3 levels of complexity: easy, medium, and complex. AI Transfer provides 3 categories with a total of 6 artistic styles to transform your uploaded photo. In this tutorial, we will use images from the library. Tap Screening Condition in the upper right corner and select Oil Painting as the operation style. Select the image you like and tap the plus icon to add it to the canvas. After returning to the canvas, select the pattern on the canvas and then click Make in the upper right corner. Step 3. Parameter settings and painting area preview. First, select a paint set according to your preference, either a 5-color set or a 48-color set. In this tutorial, we use a 48-color set. Now, generate the paint-by-numbers outline. Once generated, tap the Hide Image icon in the upper right corner of the canvas. Tap once to preview the outline, and tap again to view the full painting. Select Heat Erasable Pen. A heat erasable pen is recommended to make it easier to remove outlines after coloring. Next, select your painting surface. Basic options include canvases, canvas panel, stretched canvas. Here we choose 200 by 250 mm frame. Adjust the pattern size according to the size of painting surface. You can quickly adjust the pattern size by clicking the Auto Adjust Size icon in the upper left corner of the canvas, or use the Rotate icon to adjust the pattern orientation. Now, tap Preview to preview the painting surface. If the painting area exceeds the painting substrate edges after previewing, adjust the image in the software or move the device's position and repreviewing. Once all the steps are completed, tap Add to Task. If you have selected the 5-color set, don't forget to open the color guide in the task list. Tap Color Guide to view the coloring instructions. Then tap Print to print the guide for easy reference. Step 4. Outline drawing and coloring. Click the Start button, and iPaint will begin drawing the oil painting outline. Ensure that the connected device remains on during the drawing process to prevent it from turning off or entering sleep mode. Once the outline is complete, match the paint numbers from the image with the corresponding numbers on the paint set to start coloring. Outlines can be removed through heating. You can use blow dryer, heat press, etc. And just like that, a beautiful paint-by-numbers painting is completed.